Continuing our coverage of the Great Blizzard of 2010, it is now 10:15, so it has been snowing for an hour since our last update, and as you can see, the street is really starting to get covered now. Alan's car in the driveway is also experiencing a lot of fun snowiness, and it's still continuing to come down pretty hard, actually. Exciting day for us Henderson folk who hardly ever get to see the snow. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. We're supposed to get an accumulation of approximately 4 to 10 inches, so I guess we'll see.